Alright, the next thing we're going to go over is creating our blog. So right now we have our home page. I haven't added any images to it. And then a sample page. So from here, let's go ahead and go and add a new page. So we go to Pages, Add New, and you can title your blog whatever. It's easier just to name it something that you'll remember. So let's go ahead and use Blog. And then Publish. You don't need to select any templates or anything, you just need to create your page. And then you go under Settings and Reading. And then you're going to want to change your static page, post page, to your new page that you selected. So right now we have a front page, which is our home page, and then our post page, which is our blog. And you can also customize how many blog posts you want to display on per page in this setting as well. So we're going to go ahead and save these, and then let's go to our blog, and we have a blog post. So there's a couple things that you can do. You can have an image or a video, or none of them, as you notice on the first post. So I'm going to create two blog posts. One will be a featured image, and one will be a regular post. Let's call this one blog post with an image, and let's upload an image. I have an image on my desktop that I'm just going to drag in right here. So once you've uploaded your file, you're going to want to select it as Use as Featured Image. And then if you scroll down, you'll notice that your featured image shows up right here. So let's go ahead and publish that now. And then I'm going to open this up in a new tab so we can view our blog. And you'll notice we have a blog post with the featured image. And to add content is pretty easy. You can just say add content here. So that'll always display on the blog index, right? But on the live preview there's a read more button, and that is inserted via this. If you hover over the buttons at the top, there's one that says insert more tag. If you click on it, you get this line right here. And then let's update that, and I'll show you that our read more button displays. Now what that is just a divider. So anything above the more link will display on the index, and then anything below it won't. And then obviously when you go to the post page, all of the content will display. So for instance, let me show you an example. So I'll type hidden content. So if we refresh our page, that content below the insert more won't display. But if we click the read more on the post page, all of the content displays. So it's kind of just a cutoff that you can use if you want to display a certain amount of data on the home page. And you can have all of it display if you want. That's just how to do that and get your read more link to display. So let's then add another post, and let's call this one blog post with a featured video. And we'll just leave the content out because I just want to show you how to embed a video. So if you scroll down to the post, you see this video embed code, and this is where you can add your video's embed code. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Vimeo. I have a tab open, and you just click embed. It's the same thing for YouTube or any type of other videos. Let's go ahead and, it's easier if you just click customize embed, and what you're going to want to do is deselect show text. And what that does is it basically means that the only code you get is iframe code. You don't want any text or anything displaying, so it's just iframe and then an iframe closing tag, and we copy that. And you don't need to adjust the size or anything. That'll get adjusted via WordPress. So then if we paste this in, this iframe code in, we can publish this post. And then once we view, we now have our blog post and our video shows up. So it's just kind of a really cool way to easily add videos to your blog. So that's everything you need to know about the blog right there.